time has finally come. I got an iPad. I have been waiting for this for so long. I'm someone that like really deliberates. Anyways, let me get into it. I got the new iPad Pro M4. I don't know why I'm nervous. I've just been wanting an iPad so badly. I feel like I'm just tired of carrying my laptop around. And then this one is supposed to be the thinnest. Well, I think the 13-inch is actually the thinnest. What? Bye, I need to do this side too. I'm too excited. Oh man. I got it in space gray. It looks gorgeous. My goodness. It's beautiful. It is perfect. This is the 11-inch iPad Pro M4. I got 512 gigabytes because I plan to be editing and like honestly using this for editing content, YouTube, Reels, TikTok, all of that. Okay, how do I turn this on? It has the USB-C port. It only has 2 cameras, but when I tried it in store, it looked good to me. So I know like some people didn't like that or something like that. But it is different. I'm gonna need to get a screen protector. Oh, that legit just fell on my screen, but kind of mad at myself for that. Are you okay? Whew! I'm gonna place this over here. Comes with this little charging base right here, USB-C, and then this is the new cord. It's actually like, what do you call it? Like textured? It's like made out of thread. It's not like the regular plastic cord. And honestly, I don't know if that means it's like going to be more durable, but this honestly does look like any kind of, you know, cord that you can get at like TJ Maxx or whatever, but hey, maybe it's gonna last longer. So yeah, this is the cord that it comes with. And that's pretty much it for inside the box. Guys, it is so light. When I tell you, like, do you see how thin this is? This is like nothing, which is exactly what I want because I am a bag lady and I just need to make it lighter on myself. First of all, I just want to say typing on this is amazing already. I love it already, you guys. Like, I'm someone that deliberates for a very long time, especially with a big purchase, and I'm already so happy about it. Guys, here is the home screen. I mean, looks like a giant version of our iPhones already, but I'm excited to just like download so many apps. I want to get Procreate, want to get CapCut, probably get Final Cut on here, and yeah. Anyways, come back for part 2 for the accessories.